Welcome students of standard 9. Okay, SSC board. Today I am starting with the first chapter of M1 set. Chapter set theory. I am explaining you very simple theory which can be exactly classified we call set. Getting? And which we cannot classify is not a set. Suppose set of good student from your class. Not you can't separate. One student is good according to you, but according to someone else who is troubling, so not good. Getting? But a definite. Something has definite. A student who has scored more than 50 marks in terminals, you can easily separate. Okay, more than 30 marks in history, you can easily separate. But or set of furniture, yeah, you can write. But some set of tall buildings in nearby area, no. Getting? Okay. Any doubts you can ask me later on whether we can write this is a set form or not. See, first I am telling you how to write set in roster form. Means listing form. You have to list it. If you cannot list, it is not a set. Set of even natural number. Even natural number. Natural number you know starts from 1. But 1 is not even, 2 is even, next 4 is even, next 6 is even. How many? So many, infinite. So just dot and end your set. Look, it depends. The infinity sign is not compulsory for you. Just dot and that is enough. Okay, set of even prime numbers from 1 to 50. You can separate prime numbers from 1 to 50. But even prime number is only 1. That is 2. Finished. Set over. Only one element in that. Okay. Here infinite element. This is infinite set. And this is finite set if it ends. Okay. If there is definite boundaries, upper, lower, they are finite sets. Such sets are infinite set if you cannot count. Set of negative integers. Negative integers start from -1. 0 is non-negative, non-positive. If you write 0, answer wrong. Mark also 0. -1, -2, -3, dot. Which is last negative integer? Infinity. Negative infinity. It's okay. But you can just write dot. Okay, 7 basic sounds of Sargam, Sur. Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni, but depends on you, your teacher. Some teacher telling do re mi fa that, those sound. Whatever. This depends. This is just 7 surs you have separated. Okay. So we use symbols when writing or rule method. Getting? See, some symbols you must understand. Now this symbol, epsilon Greek letter, we use, it signifies belongs to. 4/3 belongs to Q. A 4/3 epsilon Q, word form, the number 4/3 belongs to set of rational numbers. Q is symbol for rational numbers. Okay? Q is a set of rational numbers. Natural numbers N, capital N for natural number. W for whole numbers. You have studied what are natural numbers, what are the whole numbers. Q for rational numbers. Now -2, this symbol epsilon cut. -2 does not belong to natural number. N, capital N stands for natural number. So in word form, the number -2 does not belong to set of natural numbers. Understood? This is symbol. Symbol so small. You try express in the word form. One mark question can come on this. Now this is a rule method. P equal to P. What is P? P is an odd number. But this brace bracket, curly bracket is a set. This is a whole word form is P is a set of odd numbers. Understanding? Simple set is very simple. Full scoring. You are going to score full and crack unit. This is just a start. Hope you will attend regularly. We'll go ahead with next sum. Okay. Okay. Third sum. Write any two sets in list and rule form. Any. You can write. I am giving you for homework. See, for example, I am giving you a list form of one set A. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the rule for this? A equal to curly bracket compulsory. X. But what is X? X belongs to natural number. Because all 4 are natural numbers. And X is less than 5. In this rule, the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4 only. This is the difference between list form and rule form. Getting? Okay, one more example I am giving you. B. A, E, I, O, U. What are those? You know that? X oblique X is a vowel. In English alphabet, no need to write vowel, you understand. Okay? Okay. Some alternate I am solving, I am giving you for homework. All months in a solar year. You have tried with the list form. You know that. Homework. Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay? See. Second, I am doing it. Letters in the word complement. See. Important thing is you cannot repeat the letter in set. One letter one time. Here you see M is repeating, E is repeating. Okay? So the letter C, comma, O, comma, not repeated, M, P, L, E. M and E are repeated, so N and E T. This is a set of letters in the word complement. Understood? Any doubt you can ask me. Third set, a set of human sensory organs. You must know, you have learned sensory system, right? Nose, ear, whatever you have tried, tongue. Okay. Set of prime numbers from 1 to 20. This I am writing. Prime number, the smallest prime number is E1 and that is 2. Next prime number is 3. 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. I wrote. Understood? Name of continents of the world. You are learnt in geography. You are good in geography, no? Write the continents. Asia, Europe, Australia, America, whatever. You write. Okay? We'll go ahead with the next sum. Okay. Okay. Go ahead with the next sum. Question 5. Rule method. Sums are given few in list form, roster form. You have to write it into list form. Rule method. Okay. So what is the first sum? See, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. What are those? Those are perfect squares. Okay? These are perfect squares. Okay, you can write x equal to x oblique x is a perfect square less than 100. That is also possible, but simple way I am telling you. X equal to n square because there are squares. N from natural number, but up to 10 because 10 square is 100 and less than equal to 10. If you write less than 10, then up to 9 only. 10 is not inclusive. Okay? So up to less than equal to 10, so 10 is included. 10 square up to 100. Then natural numbers start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All squares. Understand? Any doubt you can ask me. B. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. What are those? These are multiples of 6. 6 8s are 48. Okay, up to. So x equal to x oblique x is equal to 6 multiple 6n. What are n? Natural numbers. Over 6 ones are 6 twos are they are natural numbers. And up to 8 less than equal to 8. If you just write less than 8, then it is up to 7. 6 7 are 42. 48 is not counted. This is the rule for this. Answer for this. Okay. Third, C. SMILE. So x oblique x is a letter from the word smile. Not necessary you have to write smile. Miles also will do. Or any other word if you those contain only the letters SMIL. Any other. Okay. Miles. I have written one letter. Okay, D sum. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, what are those? Simple rule. X oblique X is a day in the week. Okay. And the last sum. X equal to A, E, T. 3. Find a word which contain only 3 letters. That is your skill. Use your brain. I am writing simple T. Easy? Understood? 1.1 exercise. This is the end of 1.1 exercise. Very simple. In the next lecture, we will go to 1.2, 1.3. What are doubts you can ask me. Use comment box. Use finger. Type. Okay? And the most important, subscribe. Give like, subscribe. How will I come to know otherwise? Okay? So, press bell icon also to get new notification. So immediately video comes, you can watch. Just keep on watching, that is your study. Okay? Don't play games on mobile, watch. Watch my videos, it's a study only. Of standard 9. Okay? See you in the next video, bye.